In Cauchy's equation, you will get the equations like x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus some y or some ax or something nx or ny is equal to 0. Such kind of equations you will get. But Legendre's equation will be replaced with this x as linear function. That means ax plus b whole square into d square y by dx square. Here also instead of x, it will be replaced with ax plus b into dy by dx plus some ny is equal to 0 or some function of x. Okay, so this is the only difference. Okay, so while writing these notations, okay, so everything will be same. Like suppose ax plus b whole square d square y by dx square. This can be replaced with here x quotient is there, right? That power you have to give for that. So x quotient power, that means a square. Okay, so what you will do if you have x square d square y by dx square? So this is nothing but d into d minus 1, right? So extra this one only will come. So that means this one into d minus 1. Okay, so in this way we will denote it. Similarly, suppose if you are having ax plus b whole cube into d cube y by dx cube, that means third derivative. How can you write x quotient power, that means a cube d into d minus 1 into d minus 2, like similar to Cauchy's equation. So like that it will continue. Only the extra thing it will add here is quotient of x. Clear? Here also a square is nothing but it's a quotient of x. Okay, remaining everything will remain same. Clear? So similarly, how can you write ax plus b into dy by dx? Here also x quotient, what is the power? 1. So a power 1 into d. So here you have to multiply with y. So in this way you have to replace. So now since you have changed the notation of the given equation, so we need to change the letter x also. So how will you change? Means like similar. T is equal to, previously we used to take log x, right? So here instead of taking log x, we will take log of this linear function. So that means log of ax plus b. If I want to find x value, how can you find? This is in logarithmic form. Implies if you write it in algebraic form, what happens? E power t is equal to ax plus b. So if you want to find x, what will do? So e power t, send this b to left hand side, minus b. Okay, so here into a is there. If you send to this side, divided by a. So in this way we will find x value from given substitution. Okay, so this is the only logic. Okay, there is nothing much difference between Cauchy's equation and Legendre's equation. In Legendre's equation, you will get in the place of x linear function. That means any equation of the form ax plus b. Power of x should be 1 and it should have some constant term and quotient. Clear? So let us do one problem based on this so that you'll get an idea. So here given equation will write in this question. Given 1 plus x whole square d square y by dx square plus 1 plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to sine of 2 into log of 1 plus x. Okay. So for this we need to find the solution. So initially what we need to do, we have to take the notation form of this equation. So for that sake, first I'll take 1 plus x whole square d square y by dx square, which is equal to how much? What is the x quotient here? What is x quotient here? Sonika? Mitali? So are you able to listen or not? Swikruti?
The one.
This much time is needed for that. So 1 into d minus 1 y. Okay. Similarly, 1 plus x into dy by dx. So how can you write x quotient? So here 1 square you have to write. Here 1 into dy. Okay. Similarly, we will take t is equal to log x. Sorry, log of linear function. What is the linear function here? 1 plus x. Okay. So implies how to find x value, write it in algebraic form. That means e power t is equal to 1 plus x. Implies x equal to e power t minus 1. Okay. So now we'll substitute this one in this equation 1. So take the given equation as equation 1. So from equation 1, okay. So how much will get? D into d minus 1 into plus this one dy, okay, plus y. So here I am taking y common, plus 1 into y is equal to sine of 2 into log of 1 plus x. Log of 1 plus x, it is t. So I can write it as 2t. Okay. Now do the simplification here. How much will get? D square minus d plus d plus 1 into y equal to sine 2t. Okay. So a minute. So dd get cancelled, you'll get d square plus 1 into y is equal to sine 2t. Okay, take this equation as 2. Okay, so implies what happens? You have to solve this equation. It's like as usual. Auxiliary equation will find how much? M square plus 1 equal to 0 implies m square equal to minus 1 implies m is equal to how much? Plus or minus root minus 1. Okay, so root minus 1 is nothing but I. So what will be the solution? Yc c1 cos I quotient, it is 1. Okay, so x. So here not x, it is t. So because the given differential equation is of the form t variable. Next, c2 sin t. So therefore yc is equal to how much? c1 cos of t value. T value is log of 1 plus x plus c2 sin log of 1 plus x. Okay, so you got complementary solution. We will find now particular solution yp is equal to sine 2t divided by d square plus 1. Okay, so when you got sine or cos in the numerator, it is of type 2 equation. So in type 2, what we'll do? So d square must be replaced with independent letter quotient. So independent letter quotient is
2.
Minus 2
so we'll
square.
get minus 2 square. Okay, so d square should be replaced with minus 4. So sine 2t divided by minus 4 plus 1. So yp is equal to sine 2t divided by minus 3. Okay, so finally particular solution yp is equal to sine 2 into log of 1 plus x divided by minus 3. Okay, since p value is nothing but log of 1 plus x, I have substituted. So general solution. So the general solution is how much? Y is equal to yc plus yp. Okay, so y is equal to how much? c1 cos of log 1 plus x plus c2 sin log of 1 plus x plus sin 2 log 1 plus x divided by minus 3, or you can write that minus here also. Okay, so this will be the general solution which we need to find. So there is nothing much difference. So here only the quotient of x will be added. So in this one, the quotient of x is 1. So it is like almost Cauchy's linear equation only. So just go through it once. I'll give 1 minute for each slide. Is it fine? Shall we go for next one? Okay, we'll go for next one. So first let us write the given equation. Given 2x plus 1 whole square into y double dash minus 6 into 2x plus 1 into y dash plus 16y is equal to 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so now what we need to do? First write this in terms of notation form. So 2x plus 1 whole square into y double dash. Can you write it as? You can write it as x quotient. That means 2. What is the power? 2. So 2 power 2 d into d minus 1 y. Okay. Similarly, 2x plus 1 into y is equal to x quotient is 2, power is 1, so d y. It is y dash. Okay. Now, in the same way, the substitution is t is equal to log of 2x plus 1. So, this is the quadratic expression he has given in the equation. So, now write it in algebraic form. E power t is equal to 2x plus 1 implies we need to find x value. X is equal to e power t minus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So, now take this as equation 1 and substitute all these substitutions. Okay. So, from equation 1, what happens? Substitute this. So, we'll get 4 into d minus 1, next minus 6d plus 16 into y is equal to 8 into 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is nothing but e power t. So, e power t whole square. Okay. So, you have to do the simplification here. So, 4d square minus 4d minus 6d plus 16 into y is equal to 8 e power 2t you will get. Okay. So, 4d square minus 10d plus 16 into y is equal to 8 e power 2t. Okay. Sorry, here it is not d, it is 2d, right? 6 into 2d. Okay, so you'll get 12d here. So you'll get 16d here. Correct. Because here this value is 2d. So 6 into 2d. Okay. So now if you take 4 common and they send it to that side, so 1 4 get cancelled. D square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to, if you send that 4 to right hand side, so 4 and 4 2s, so 2 e power 2t will get. Okay. So now you need to solve this equation. Take this as equation 2. So from equation 2, write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0, implies m minus 2 whole square will get equal to 0. Then what will be the roots? Roots will be repeated. m1 equal to m2 equal to 2. So when you get repeated roots, what will be complementary solution? Yc. Complementary solutions for repeated roots. C1.
Into t into e to the power
Yes.
2t.
E power 2t. So Yc is equal to C1 plus C2. T is nothing but log of 2x plus 1 into e power 2t. E power 2t can be written as 2x plus 1 whole square. 2x plus 1 whole square. Since e power t is nothing but 2x plus 1. If you take square on both sides, you'll get the same thing. So e power 2t can be written as 2x plus 1 whole square. So this is complementary solution. We'll write for particular integral yp is equal to right hand side what is there in equation 2? 2 e power 2t divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. Okay. So now we need to find the solution for this. Yp is equal to 2 e power 2t divided by, so type 1 kind of solution. So in type 1, so what is x t quotient here? 2. So 2 you need to substitute in the place of d. But the problem is if you substitute 2 in the place of d, what happens? You are getting 0. Okay. At that time what we need to do? When you get 0, you need to multiply this equation with the t and differentiate in the denominator. So minus 4. 2d minus 4 will get it. Next, yp is equal to, again if you substitute 2 in the place of d, you are getting 0. So again differentiate. So I'll get 2t. So when you are getting 0 in the denominator, again you have to multiply with t. So I'll get t square e power 2t divided by differentiate denominator. So we'll get 2. So 2 to get cancelled. T square e power 2t. So yp is equal to, convert this in terms of x. So t is nothing but log of 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, e power 2t can be written as 2x plus 1 whole square. So implies finally yp is equal to 2x plus 1 whole square into log of 2x plus 1 whole square. So general solution. y is equal to yc plus yp, which is nothing but y is equal to, what is yc? C1 plus C2 log of 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square, sorry, 2x plus 1 whole square plus 2x plus 1 whole square log of 2x plus 1 whole square. This is what yc, right? Yc is c1 plus c2 log 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square. So this is the general solution, or if you want to take 2x plus 1 whole square common, you can take it. C1 plus C2 log 2x plus 1 plus log 2x plus 1 whole square. So this is the general solution of the given problem. So just go through it once from starting onwards. Take one minute for each slide. Shall we go for next one? So this is the last problem in this module. So take this last question. So previously it was 2x plus 1. It is now 3x plus 2 whole square. Same thing. So very easy. First write given equation. Given equation is 3x plus 2 whole square y double dash plus 3 into 3x plus 2 into y dash minus 36y is equal to 8x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay. So now what I'll do, first I'll write this equation in notation form. So that means 3x plus 2 into y double dash can be written as, here whole square is there. So x quotient power is 3 square d into d minus 1 y. Similarly, 3x plus 2 into y dash is equal to x quotient power. X quotient power is 1. So 3 into dy. Similarly, take t is equal to log of 3x plus 2. Okay. So e power t is equal to 3x plus 2 implies x equal to how much? E power t minus 2 divided by 3. Okay. So in this way, we will get all the substitutions. Now take this in equation 1. Take it as equation 1. So from equation 1, what happens? 3 square means 9, d into d minus 1, okay, plus 3d, 3 into 3d, minus 36 into y. I have taken y common is equal to, yeah. So 8x square plus 4x plus 1 is there. X value we got it as e power t minus 2. So this one is equal to e power t minus 2 divided by 3 whole square. Here 8x, right? So this one is nothing but 8 into this. Plus 4 into e power t minus 2 divided by 3. Plus 1. Okay. Now simplify this. On the left hand side you will get 9d square minus 9d, okay, plus 9d minus 36 into y is equal to, you can expand this. What happens if you expand? 8 by 9 you'll get 8 by 9 into e power 2t, that means a square, plus b square, that means 2 square, it is 4, minus 4 into e power t. Okay, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next, plus 4 e power t minus 2. Sorry, 4 into 2, it is 8 divided by 3 plus 1. Okay, now in the left hand side what happens? You can take 9 common. So this and this get cancelled. If you take 9 common here, how much? D square minus 4 into y is equal to, if you take LCM as 9, so we'll get 8 e power 2t Okay, plus 8 fours are 32. So you'll get 32 minus 32 e power t plus, so here already 3 is there. You have to multiply with one more 3. So 12 e power t minus 8 3s 24 plus here 9 into 1 it is 9. Okay, so we'll get 9 into d square minus 4 into y is equal to 8 e power 2t plus here 32 plus 9 it is 41. 41 minus 24, how much? 41 minus 24.
17.
So we'll get 17 minus 32 e power t plus 12 e power t. It is minus 20 e power t divided by 9. Okay, I am sending this 9 also this side. So I'll get d square minus 4 into y is equal to 1 by 81 into, because this 9 into this 9, 9 9s 81. 8 e power 2t minus 20 e power t plus 17. Okay, so take this as equation 2 and we need to solve this equation 2. Fine. So now let us solve this equation. So auxiliary equation is m square minus 4 equal to 0. Correct. Implies m square equal to 4, implies m equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. So what do you mean by plus or minus 2? Those are distinct roots. So yc is equal to c1 e power 2t plus c2 e power minus 2t. So convert this into x form. So c1 e power t. E power t value is 3x plus 2. So e power 2t is there. So 3x plus 2 whole square plus c2 3x plus 2 whole power minus 2. Okay, I have converted this in x form. Now yp is equal to, on right hand side you will get 8 e power 2t minus 20 e power t plus 17 divided by m square minus 4. Okay, now it is of type 1 equation only, but for each term we have to expand. Okay, so yp is equal to, take this denominator for each and every term. So here in denominator 81 is there, so should not forget it, because 1 by 81 into this, correct? So 1 by 81 into 8 e power 2t divided by m square minus 4 minus 20 e power t divided by m square minus 4 plus 17 divided by m square minus 4. So you can write this 17 as 17 into e power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. Okay, so just for my convenience I have written this, because we have to substitute x quotient or t quotient in the denominator, right? So here it is not m, it is d. D square is also d square. Okay, so yp is equal to, in the place of d we need to substitute in the first term as 2. So 1 by 81 into 8 e power 2t divided by, if you substitute 2, what happens? You are getting 0. So if you are getting 0, what we need to do? Multiply t in the numerator. So you'll get 8t divided by differentiation of this. So you'll get 2d minus 20 e power t divided by 1 minus 4 plus 17 divided by, so in the place of d we have to substitute 0. So 0 minus 4. So therefore yp is equal to 1 by 81. So 2 ones, 2 fours. So 4t divided by, in the place of d you need to substitute t, 2, right? So divided by 2 e power 2t minus of minus will get plus 20 by 3 e power t plus 17 by 4, sorry, minus 17 by 4. Okay, so yp is equal to 1 by 81 into 2 ones, 2 twos again. Okay, so 2 t is nothing but log of 3x plus 2. E power 2t is nothing but 3x plus 2 whole square plus 20 by 3 into 3x plus 2 minus 17 by 4. So therefore, general solution. Y is equal to yc plus yp, which is nothing but y is equal to yc. c1 3x plus 2 whole square plus c2 3x plus 2 whole power minus 2, okay, plus 1 divided by 81 into 2 3x plus 2 whole square log 3x plus 2 plus 20 by 3 3x plus 2 minus 17 by 4. Okay, so this whole into 1 by 81 is there. We have to write that much. Okay, so just go through this. You go with the attendance.